better than the Hero 5. Wow. This is at Fort Stanwix. Good view. The fort is actually closed until April, but the visitor center is now open. And that's the Willett Center, Fort Stanwix National Monument on North James Street. Let's go inside. Closed until April, the fort, but the visitor center is open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Trails along the fort 24 hours a day. Make sure you visit the National Park Service smartphone app. So when the fort reopens, are they going to close this again?
We're not sure. It depends on staffing.
Is that what the problem was staffing? What?
Staffing and COVID. As far as the regulations, is how many people we could have in here at a time.
I thought it was going to be closed permanently. I'm like, they're never going to open.
No.
Cool. And then the other day I saw all the curtains were up and I'm like, oh, they're open again.
Yeah, surprise.
In 2017, President Trump tweeted a transgender ban that was formalized in April 2019. That's a joke. Figures.
We will be open and available for about 5 more minutes. Yep.
Notice how all the fours are extremely liberal, very liberal, and then you have the conservatives. Seeing quite the color. Then you got the park building. That's the Willett Center of Fort Stanwix, which is open, but the fort is closed until April. So when they probably open up the fort again, depending on